Okay, we're in Miramar Beach, Florida. We got here yesterday. We're on the beach now. Looks like it's going to be a little cloudy that way. Look at this beautiful beach. Look at this. They call this the Emerald Coast. You see the Gulf is kind of greenish here. Look at that. These are some condos right here next to the beach access. These condos go for $6,000 a week. $6,000 a week. Here's some homes. Who knows what they go for? This is Miramar. Lots more money. There's a what's that place? Seascape right there. That's a fancy place too. And here's the beach. They got this beautiful white sand. I don't know if you can see it, but the sand is like bleach white. Almost. A little bit of a tan color to it. So we're here today. It's going to be mid-70s. Tomorrow they're talking big time storms. Who knows? Looks like we might get them today. They're coming from the west. So we're going to do a quick walk on the beach. Today is Thursday, March 2. So here we are. If you notice, it's not very busy. They say spring break starts this weekend, so it's going to be jamming this weekend for a couple of weeks. It's a hot spot for spring break. Okay, here we go. We'll catch you later, alligator. Okay, they got the kids out in the ocean here. I don't know if they should be out here. It's a red flag day. I guess spring break started early. Hey, cool! Are you on spring break? Are you on spring break?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Look at that. They got the kids out here. Look at that little girl. She's flying this kite. Oh boy, check out the kite. Very cool. She's doing a good job. Better than I would. Here we go. We're walking down the beach. The kids are out, huh? Look at that. They're having fun. Something's coming from the southwest, but we're still walking here. It says no rain yet. I gotta catch up to Vicky. She's way over there. What a beautiful beach. Not very busy. Not today. Not today. Oh boy, look at what's coming. A helicopter. You know, we got the Air Force base not far away. Or no, it's a naval air base in Pensacola. Check that out. Here it comes. Woo! Whee! What fun to ride your helicopter along the beach. Beautiful. Look at that. Man, oh man, none of those rentals are full right now, but they're gonna be. They're gonna be. Okay. We'll catch up to you. Okay, we're walking back. We walked 1.5 miles on the beach. You can barely see Surfside. Not Seaside, it's Surfside. That's a pretty fancy place here in Miramar. I think that's the fanciest place. Surfside. Waves are coming in. I think the tide's coming in. A little, maybe it's on its way out now. It was coming in. So this is the beach in Miramar. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay. See you later. Okay, we're at the Whale's Tail restaurant. Miramar Beach. It's right on the water. That's where the boardwalk is. You can walk that boardwalk all the way over here too. It's pretty long. You could walk that with your dog. Dogs are not allowed on the beach here. But there's the Whale's Tail. We'll have to go there for a snack. We didn't go there last year. You see? And here's the ocean. Boy, those kids are way out there. Look at them. That's a red flag day. That's not good. See that?
Tide's coming in.
Tide's coming in, yeah. I thought it was going out, but it's actually going in. And there's Surfside right there. What a gigantic complex. Buildings. Wait till they fill up. You won't have a spot on the beach. See, here it is, Whale's Tail. See, they got dining out there. They got these chairs you can sit on. Pretty nice. The Whale's Tail in Miramar. Okay, we'll keep going. See, okay, if you want to see what Miramar is about, it's about this. This one thing I don't like about Miramar is this high density housing. See, this is Surfside, part of it. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another one behind us, 6 buildings. This is like a city right here in one little area. So when they fill up, watch out. Now, St. George Island doesn't have this because they have a limit of 3 stories on any building. So you're not going to see this in St. George Island. But you're going to see it here. All along there in Panama City, same way. See, there's buildings back there. They're just jam-packed. But, hey, we're here right now. There's nobody here, so we're having fun. See ya. Okay, this is what it looks like up a little closer. Look at that place up on top of the middle. I don't know if that's a common space or it might be another condo there, or a fancy one right in the middle there. Look at that, in the arch. These are something, man. And I'll tell you, the rentals are not cheap. Not here, not at Surfside. Look at that. That's cool. But I wouldn't want to live there. Walking on the beach. Hey, somebody's fishing. I see some fishing poles hanging out. Okay. There's some people in the water. They shouldn't be in the water. They say it's dangerous. Okay. See ya. Look at these birds. They're all together here. They're waiting for something to come in. See that? They know there's going to be some food coming. Uh-oh, there goes one. Uh-oh, they're going to take off. There they go. They don't like us. Uh-oh, they're not going to get lunch. Oh, they moved down a ways. See him? Look at this guy. He's not moving. He don't care. Look at that. We're right next to him. He just walked around me. That's a tough dude. See that? That's a tough one. He walked right around me, Vic. Huh. Well, the sun's trying to peek out. The wind's blowing in. It's a red flag day. So who knows? We just did 2.5 miles on the beach. Woo! The tide's coming in. Okay. See you later. Okay, they have it Alvin's Island here. Tropical department store right on the corner of our street. Here it is, Alvin's. You could get your beach wear right here. See, right down the street from where we're staying. There's also another RV park right there. That's not ours. That's another one. And then they're building some homes here. This property was for sale last year for $3 million. Now they're building at least 2 homes on it. One, and there's one behind that. Yeah, that was $3 million for that sand. And this is Alvin's Island right over here. You could go shopping right next door. See, it's right there. It's a nice one. There's nobody there. And our campground, or RV park, is up here a little ways. Oh, there they go in the golf carts. Golf cart city. There's another one. All right, we'll see you later. Okay, here's the sign for our RV park. See, it says vacation with us in paradise. Oh, see, this is the entrance. It's back here. It's about 2 blocks from the beach. Not even that, block and a half. This is where we have some storage for some RVs. And this is the entrance where Vicky's walking there. They have a, I think, an overflow site right here. Nobody's in it. I think this building's where the people that run it stay. And then they got some, these are called the pull-through sites, where this old mountain air is. See, this is a pull-through site right here. And it's 5th wheel. They got electric bikes. They're kind of mostly concrete, these sites. So you could pull through, you could keep your car hooked up. They got a couple of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's one right there. 5, right in the middle there. And then here's the campsites. There's only 18 of them. The office is right to the left here. This building, this gray building. Laundry, office, whatever. And then here's the sites. Someone just pulled in here. Oh, I think that's a Liberty. What is that? Wow. Is it an Emerald or a Liberty? Emerald. Oh boy. Arkansas Razorback. They just came in. That's a nice Emerald. Wow. Very cool. There you go. 2 million. Looks like it's a new one too. Nice colors. Wow. An Emerald parked here. On a Prevost platform. They make those, they convert Prevos. Wow. And then here's our site over here. There's a Gretsch van with a Jeep, and then here's our site. We're in 18. We asked for this site. See, it's on the end. And it's got lots of grass for Ruby. So here we are. And then you can see back behind us is Surfside. See, right there. Where we walked. And this is our site. Ruby's in there. She's looking at me out the window. Let me see if I can show her. Oh, no, she's not. She didn't hear me yet. Ha! No Ruby. And this is the rest of the campground right over here. See, there's not much. It's one little loop. One little loop. Okay. See ya.